So Allah looked after us when we were old. Many a time, our parents, they speak to me as well. Our youth, my children, Shaykh, what can we do? I say, brother, put your son and daughter in the service of Allah. Because as the pious before us used to say, whoever puts their children in the service of Allah, Allah will fix their dunya and akhirah. And wallahi wa billahi wa tallahi, I ask you, how much in need of our dunya being fixed are we in today? We need divine intervention, right? That's what we say. We need divine intervention. Well, there you go, brothers and sisters in Islam. If there's one thing you can give your child, give them the love for salah. Give them the love for the salah. In the salah is everything. It is the pillar that holds up the deen. I said to you earlier today, the first thing shaitan steals from your salah is the khushu'. And after that he will steal your salah. And after that he will steal your religion, all of it. Right? All of